Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A33 and let me share with you how to change the video resolution on this device. So first of all, let's enter the camera app, and here we are in the standard photo mode, so we have to switch to the video one. Let's simply tap on the video, and if you can see this red circle, red dot inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video one. So now we can take a look at this option bar at the top, and on the second position from the right we've got the resolution option, so let's tap on it. And that was a misclick. So let's tap on it, and as you can see we've got 4 different options from which we can choose. We've got the UHD, FHD and HD option applied. We've got 2 different FHDs, and the only difference is in the frames per second. So it's up to you, of course, which option you'd like to use. I will pick the UHD, so let's tap simply, and as you can see this icon changed slightly. We had also the information, which means that we've just applied the resolution and your device will record videos in this one, in the chosen one. So actually this is it. This is how to change video resolution in your Samsung Galaxy A33. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.